What makes you feel alive? To be present and fully in the moment with no responsibilities. To bear no weight from the past and to have no expectations for the future. Free to realize that life's short and there's no guarantee that you'll see tomorrow. What would you do differently? What would you rather be doing right now? 4 months ago, I graduated from university and started focusing on what made me happy. I picked up a camera and started sharing my memories with people from all over the world with the intention of showing some adventures and all the memories in between. Let's start with my North American road trip.
There's a hole in this house wherever you go. You like gold dust. It rains over me. A former son, I thought I'd never see. You like gold dust. Keep coming down that street. There's a hole in this house wherever you
Go.
Any crazy dance moves?
You got this.
Right now?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know.
Fire it up.
Only restriction is that the futon is just for naked bodies.
What are you doing?
Oh my god! Wouldn't you rather get alone?
What?
Wouldn't you rather get alone?
What's he doing?
What is this new buddy?